Alright boys, we're back. We're here with another video. And today I just want to give a little progress update on the STI. As you can see, this thing is stripped to damn near a bare long block. I've been fighting with this thing for, I want to say almost 2 weeks, to be honest. Obviously that's just the amount of time, but realistically it was probably 3 hours or so on each one. But those last bell housing nuts that are on the bottom connected to the stud right underneath the axle, those two were the biggest pain in the ass for me to get to. They ended up rounding out. Here's one of them here. I mean, I don't know what the hell was up with this, but I was able to get it out. I had to remove my axle. This was super annoying to do as well, but you got to do what you got to do. From there, I hammered on my 14 mil through a swivel joint on it and was able to impact that thing right out. So that's definitely on the list to get 2 new ones of these for sure. Anyways, so those were the last 2 things that I really needed to get off before this is literally ready. It's ready to get out of here. So I did purchase this over at Harbor Freight. This is really gonna help me out getting the engine out of the car. So let's get this opened up. We're gonna get it hooked up to our hoist right here and let's get started. All right, 1,500 pound capacity heavy duty load leveler. This is really gonna help you out when pulling these engines out. At least from all the videos I saw, this is my first time doing this. I don't really know what I'm doing. Not sure what this is. All right, so it looks like this is set up now. So from what I've seen from Smedia's video is he goes one here at the AC bracket, which is right here. He goes one for the power steering bracket. The other one, he said he does a 12 mil that's near the turbo. I'm assuming, actually no, not gonna be able to get it from there. Gonna have to hit it from the top. And then this one here, we can just do it actually from right here. All right, out of the spare bolts bin, we're gonna find all of them that we're gonna need. So I'm just gonna put this 12 right here in the front. Let's see, I got another 12 somewhere here. It's a 12 for sure. That right here. All right, got that right there. Let's see if that will fit here. Yep. Throw that right there. And we got one more to go. This will do fine. Let me throw this one. I think I'm gonna have to take this off, this little bracket. I'm gonna be deleting this anyway. Secondary air pump, that shit gotta go. Two more bolts to add into the bin. Get that bracket out, it's garbage. Throw this right up top. All right, boys, let's get these bolts tightened up and we're gonna start cranking on this. All right, boys, let's try to get this hoist hooked up. we're gonna have to fix this arm here. Probably gonna lower the car too, so it doesn't have to jack up so high. Let's lower the car first. That should be good money. Just seeing if it's gonna. Oh shit. It's doing something. I think I need to break the seal right here. Starting to split. Let's grab the crowbar. Continue to work this. Just those dowel pins. Keep working it. What the hell is that? Secondary air pump is trash. Oh shit, there's the clutch. Okay. All right. Let me try to get it off the stud here. If I can get it off the stud, we're money. Probably need to invest in a smaller pry bar. Probably about that time. Oh shit, she's coming out. She's coming out. Boys, she's coming out. She's coming out right the fuck now. Woo! All right. Bring it forward. Of course, the fucking secondary air pump is stuck. Of course. Let's bring her up. Shit. The fuck was that? Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Shit, leaking transmission fluid from the axle. Fucking getting cool all over the floor again. This is so scary. Start getting the engine down. Oh my God, I can't believe it's out. I can't fucking believe it. Get her down. Let's get it. Whoa. Let's get her right out of the garage. Look at that, boys. I can't believe it. We did it. We did it. This is so sick. I'm gonna get some B-roll real quick because this is fire. All right, boys, here's the block. As you can see, she was not too happy with coolant. Got leaks. It's not too bad. And right over here, cylinder 4 coolant mod, ACT twin disc. This shit is nasty. It's everything, and no good deed goes unpunished. We scratched up the bumper here a little bit, but it's okay. It's our engine bay right there. It looks like a mess of wiring stuff, but honestly, it's really not that bad. It's not too much of a headache to do all this stuff. It wasn't too much. So let's figure out how we're gonna get our block onto that tire for now until my engine stand comes in. All right. I don't know if it's gonna make this corner. All right, boys. Let's get her in. Get her in her home. Let's get her down. All right, boys, well, as you see, she's finally out, and I'm ready to start digging into this thing. I want to find out exactly what happened to this car, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the process. The engine bay is empty. This was my first motor pool ever, and you know what? If it was gonna be any car, it had to be a Subi, for real, because these are I love these things, man. And you know what? Sometimes you gotta pay to play, and that's just what it is. So stay tuned for the next video. We got a lot coming. I'm waiting for my engine stand. It should be here, I believe, for Tuesday, since it's a long weekend. So we'll get this thing on an engine stand and we'll start digging into this. So until the next ones, guys, peace.